I think the concerns are totally valid. So as soon as you put in a whole bunch of sensors, as soon as you test and balance the systems, you're going to have a list of work to do. There's no way around that. You'll find all different types of sensors that are broken that control your HVAC, or you might not even know the filter sizes. I think from a school's perspective, it is a multi-year program. Figure out where you stand, figure out how it's operating, what works, and then before you start going public with your sensor readings or having a public dashboard, have the protocols in place to rectify it. So that is where I see the same game plan that testing for lead in schools came down. They started testing, they had test regularly, then they figure out where the leaded pipes are, then they start replacing them, and in the interim you bring in bottled water. So I think in the same way you have to start, because it is something that is going to be important for the learning environment. I don't fall on the path of we're going to mitigate every viral introduction and it's a COVID byproduct, but there is at this point, based on all of the sensor readings and testing across millions of square feet that we've done, you can tell that there's some really poor air quality in some of these classrooms, and that education is going to be a multi-year process. Now, why is it poor? Sometimes the teachers are just burning incense and air fresheners and cleaners and with Clorox bleach wiping down everything, every classroom. So that does degrade what that air is. So we got to at least ventilate it and flush it out. When you walk into a classroom and it smells like a hospital, just in your gut, that probably isn't good for those tiny lungs.